Friday deal. This is a Tractor Supply. This is November 21st to November 25th. It says Tractor Supply Unbeatable on Black Friday, Tuesday through Saturday. So obviously it goes to effect from today. So make sure you guys pay close attention, especially if you guys are buying, I can't say the word, but toolboxes. These toolboxes, this is a 64 tool, wide body safe, $8.99. This is a killer deal. Yeah, if you guys are getting toolboxes like this style, definitely jump on Tractor Supply. You got a Winchester 36 tool safe for $4.99. You got a $2.99 Winchester 20 tool safe. That's pretty good, $2.99. Then you got the Greenworks 60 volt 16-inch chainsaw for $149. That one's pretty good. It does include a battery and charger, so killer deal on that one. You get a Blue Mountain Manx duck-built lined insulated hooded jacket for $29.99. All right, I'm not gonna go over the clothing, but you guys could figure that on your own because I'm gonna show it here, or go to the store, or just look at this. Go to the blackfriday.com and get it. All right, so $249 36-inch Blackstone 4-burner grill with hard top, $249. You get a Coleman Power Sports 196cc go-kart for $12.99. Save $400 on this one. You get a Coleman Power Sports 96cc mini bike for $5.99. Save $200. Yeah, these are pretty expensive, so definitely check it out. Now that that the prices have gone up, definitely jump on something like that if you're gonna get it on the Black Friday deals. You get a Husky 20-ton lock splitter for $7.99. Save $200. All right, next page. All right, you got some tools here. All right, you got the Porter Cable 20 volt max 6-piece cordless tool combo kit for $199. Does include a circular saw, oscillating tool, reciprocating saw. It looks like a light back there. And then impact driver and drill driver. Looks like two batteries. Those big red things there look like batteries, and then you got the charger there. It says your choice here, $99. DeWalt tools. You got a 1/2 inch drill kit. My bad. You got a 4.5 grinder, reciprocating saw. You got a 1/4 inch impact driver kit, a DeWalt Bluetooth speaker. So all those are $99. You got pellet stove. And then you got some ovens on sale, so definitely check those out. All right, 25% off on all truck boxes. Definitely check that one out. That's a pretty good deal. And then this was another really good deal. $199 for a Simpson 3100 psi 2.3 gallon pressure washer. So definitely jump on this one. This was actually a pretty dang good deal on that one. You got 12% off on all trailers while supplies last. They got the single and the dual axles. So definitely check those out. My guess it's gonna depend on your area. See what they have. You got $129 $129.99 propane cylinder. It's 100 pound, and then you got a 80 gallon 2-stage air compressor for $11.99. You got a 140,000 BTU forced air heater for $269. You got a Pit Boss pellet grill for $3.99. So lots of good deals there, especially on that pressure washer. You got some cages here for the dog crates, 40% off. I should go in here and buy one for my dog. Let's see what else we have. We got a bigger cage here there. A thick rubber stall mat. Let's see what else we got. They got some buy one get one free for the toys, or buy one get one 50% off. You got artificial Christmas trees for $69.99. You got this 30-inch power drive supersized monster truck for $59.99. You got some Carhartt's jackets. Those are nice. And let's see what else they have. That's it. So very short video. A few tools, especially those DeWalt ones, pretty good. Definitely check it out, guys. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.